Hi, in this video we are going to look at how we go about adding and subtracting intricate fractions. Let's look at the example 3a over a plus 2 over a squared. Now in our previous video we said that in order to change the denominator we have to multiply. Here we have a denominator of a and here a squared. If we multiply a by a, we will get a denominator of a squared. But remember that we have to multiply this whole fraction by a. So let's do that now. A multiplied by 3a gives us 3a squared. A multiplied by a gives us a squared. Then we can add our second fraction of 2 over a squared. Now we have a common denominator of a squared. In our numerator, we have 3a squared plus 2. These are not like terms, so we cannot add them together, which means that this is our final answer. Now, how we approach this question also applies to questions with brackets. 1 over x plus 2 minus 1 over x plus 3, x plus 2. To make these denominators equal, we have to multiply this fraction over here by x plus 3. Let's do it now. We're going to say x plus 3 multiplied by the numerator of 1, and we get 1 multiplied by x plus 3. Multiply the denominator as well, and we're going to get x plus 3 and our existing bracket of x plus 2. Now we can subtract the second fraction of 1 over x plus 3, x plus 2. Now that we have a common denominator, we can add the numerators together, and we're going to have 1 x plus 3 minus 1 all over a common denominator of x plus 3, x plus 2. And a lot of students say, okay, well, great, we've got a bracket of x plus 3 and a bracket of x plus 3. We can take it out as a common factor and cancel it. But be careful, we still have this operation here, this minus sign, so we cannot cancel just yet. The next step is to expand this bracket over here, and I'm going to do it on this side of the page. 1 multiplied by x gives us x. 1 multiplied by 3 gives us 3. Then we have minus 1 all over x plus 3, x plus 2. Now, in the numerator, we have 3 minus 1. So we can simplify the numerator further. Let's do that now. And we're going to have x. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have x plus 2 all over x plus 3 and a bracket of x plus 2. Now, yes, the numerator still includes an operation, but x plus 2 over here is the same as x plus 2 over here. And now we can cancel out these brackets. And we're left with an answer of 1 over the bracket of x plus 3. Let's do another example. 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 4. Here we have 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 4. When you have more than one term in the denominator of the fraction, we can use a bracket. So we can put a bracket around here and a bracket around here. And we're going to multiply these two brackets together. So we're going to get a denominator of x plus 4 and x plus 1. To get a denominator with an x plus 4 in this denominator over here, we had to multiply it by x plus 4. So we multiply the numerator by x plus 4, and we get 1x plus 4. Now for our second fraction, we had to multiply by x plus 1. So we're going to say 1. Let's multiply by x plus 1 in the numerator. And our denominator of x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 1. Now that we have a common denominator, let's put these two fractions together. We're going to have 1x plus 4 from the first fraction plus x plus 1 from the second fraction all over the denominator of x plus 4 x plus 1. Finally, we can add the like terms in the numerator. We have x and x, so we're going to have 2x, and 4 plus 1 gives us 5, all over our denominator of x plus 1 x plus 4. There are no common factors here, so this is our final answer. I want to do one more question. Simplify the following. 3 open bracket x squared minus 1 over 7y minus 2 open bracket x squared minus 1 over 9y squared. Now, even though the numerators contain the bracket of x squared minus 1, our focus here has to be on the denominators. We have to make them the same. So we have to multiply 7 by 9 and then y by y to get y squared. So let's do this now. 7 multiplied by 9 gives us 63, and then we're going to have y squared. So what do we do to 7y to get 63y squared? Well, the first thing we did was we multiplied by 9. So we multiply this 3 over here by 9 as well, and we get 27. So let's put 27 in over there. Then to get y squared, we multiplied by y. So let's multiply 27 by y. And then we fill in our existing bracket of x squared minus 1. Let's just fix this fraction a little bit. There we go. Now we put on our minus sign. On this side, we're going to have the common denominator of 63y squared. We already have a y squared here, so we don't have to multiply anything by y. But to get from 9 to 63, we had to multiply by 7. So we multiply 2 by 7, and we get 14. And then again, we put in our bracket of x squared minus 1. Now, because we have a common denominator, we can put these two fractions together. So we're going to have 27y, open bracket, x squared minus 1, minus 14x squared minus 1, all over the common denominator of 63y squared. Now, the numerator has got two terms, 1 and 2, and both have a common factor of this bracket over here. So we can take it out. And we're going to get x squared minus 1. And left over, we have 27y minus 14 all over the denominator of 63y squared. And we have now completed this question. You will see more examples like these in our upcoming videos.